Hey, we're bringing it to the close today here in our Monroeville grand opening for the training center. Mike Grimme, our CEO, stopped by today, and so he's going to talk a little bit to us about the whole concept of the training center. And so this will be total number 4 for us.
Yep.
So we've got Cincinnati, we've got Indianapolis, we got a small one in Dayton. We had a small one here and kind of really expanded it. So this is the big one. There's obviously more to come, but before we talk about that, how did this whole concept start? Like, really, what was the vision when it came to contractor training, the need, the desire, those types of things, and how we got started in this?
Well, it all starts with the customer, right? And so in my travels, attracting, retaining, and developing talent it's been an ongoing challenge for quite a bit of time. We've had an industry-wide challenge drawing people into the industry, and so when we saw that challenge with our customer, let's address it, right? So
this made sense.
This makes perfect sense, right? So we've invested heavily, millions of dollars into our training platform, and every market we serve, we want to be a go-to resource for knowledge, and we feel like if our customer success is our success, and so if they've got the best techs deliver the best service to their customers, then that's going to help them grow and achieve all their hopes, dreams, goals, and expectations, right? And so for us, it's a passion project. You're never done developing. But at the same time, you can continuously grow and improve. We've seen some great success in our other markets, and we're really excited to be here in Pittsburgh. And we're just getting started, baby.
Yeah. So Monroeville is where we're at now. We're looking at a couple other things we have going on here in the Pittsburgh area.
Yep.
Some of the things or some of the objectives, I should say, that we look at when we're bringing contractors in. We want to increase their education, help continue to make sure we're getting installs properly, repairs properly, keep them from going back, the second roll of the truck, as they call it, those types of things. So that's really our foundational base of what we're trying to accomplish. Moving forward, what's kind of the vision for us, do you feel like?
Well, I think, first off, e-learning, right? So that's a big opportunity for us. We want people to be able to learn, whether not just by coming in, but also learn online at their leisure, when they have extra time on the weekends. We also want to have a place where they can house all their information so they can see historically what they learned and what they didn't learn. And let's be honest, not everybody should get a trophy all the time just because you sat there for 2 hours, right? So what are your grades? So we'll have transcripts, so you can see where there's areas. A depot, and so you'll be able to see, how you're doing. And you got an A, you got a B, a C. What do you got here? And where are the areas for improvement and things that you can work on? So it's constantly seeking personal development so that you can be the best version of yourself. The other piece of this too is I think that there's a great opportunity. We've all been guilty of taking a great salesperson and then making them a manager. Or a great ops person and then making them a manager. Managing people is a very different dynamic than just doing the task, right? And
I've heard that.
Yeah. But we're all guilty of it, right? And so there's a lot of soft skills, leadership skills, development skills. So it's not just about technical training; it's also about interpersonal training as well. So as we look into the future, we're going digital. We're going to be doing a lot more online and more people development skills, not just technical. So that's where I see us going.
Awesome.
That's where we're going to go.
Thanks for stopping by today.
Thanks for having me.
Appreciate you coming out, talking to everybody. I know you've been really busy.
Absolutely.
Having multiple conversations.
It's
so
fun.
We're excited to see where this thing goes.
Absolutely. Thanks again.
a lot.
Appreciate it.